Welcome. In front of me is a V-Mobile S39, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So let's start off by opening up the settings, and from there scroll down into storage. So right here, storage and USB, and you should see on the bottom your storage or your SD card, which for me is the Samsung SD card. Tap on it, then you get all the files on there. So tap on the three dots up here, choose settings, and now you should see format. So tap on it and then confirm it once more. Get a message also about what it will do. So basically remove everything from the SD card. So just wait, the process is done. SD card is ready. Do you want to change the default write disk? What this will do is just whenever you take a photo, it will then save it to SD card. You can tap on cancel, then it will continue to save it on the phone. Tap on done and you're basically done. The SD card is now fully formatted. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.